23 in Hervanta. Sitä käsiä.
Pohjois Hervanta. Not Hervanta, but folding it doors, but last minute. We can still take it right here. It was built in 1974, modernized by Otis in 2001. The modernization is turning 20 years old this year in 2021. It turned 45 years old in 2019. The serial number is VS3593. The serial number is B106104945. And it's also going to be inspected this year, 2021. And there are 9 floors here. Not bad, but it doesn't have windows on the manual doors outside.
Yeah.
But still, it's good to have windows anyway.
Yeah.
But still a bit unnecessary modernization, even though this is 1990s style.
Yeah.
Probably modernized early 2001. Because it's very, very 90s.
Yeah.
Maybe these residential buildings were refurbished between 1999 and 2001.
Yeah.
But we're gonna check the information for the 1999 replacements. Probably from a 1970s building was renovated.
Yeah.
There's some elevators. Yeah, that's it.
Spektiitpä kiva, jos täältä meidän vaikka on.
And thanks so much.
That's